In today's video, I am going to teach you how to split cells in Excel. This is a very useful feature when you have information stored in one cell, but you want to separate it into multiple columns. A common example is a full name in one cell that you want to split into first and last name, or an address that needs to be divided into separate parts. Excel makes this simple with the Text to Columns tool. To begin, highlight the cells you want to split. Make sure you select only the cells that contain the data you want to separate. This helps keep the process clean and makes it easier to control the result. Next, click the Data tab at the top of the screen. This tab includes several tools for organizing and working with information, and the one you need is located here. Once you are in the Data tab, click Text to Columns. This opens a setup window that walks you through how Excel should divide the contents of the selected cells. In that window, choose Delimited, then click Next. The delimited option is used when your data is separated by a specific character, such as a space, a comma, or another symbol. This is the most common choice when splitting cell content. On the next screen, check the box for the separator that matches your data. For example, if you are splitting full names, you might choose space. If you are splitting addresses or lists, you might choose comma. It is important to choose the separator that actually appears between each part of your data. After selecting the correct separator, click Next. Now choose your destination cell. This tells Excel where to place the split results. If you want the separated data to appear next to the original column, select the first empty cell where the new columns should begin. This is an important step because placing the output over existing data can overwrite information you want to keep. Excel will immediately split the selected cells into multiple columns based on the separator you chose. If the result does not look right, it usually means the wrong separator was selected, so it is a good idea to quickly review your data before finishing. With the correct separator and destination, this tool can save a lot of time and make your spreadsheet much easier to work with. That covers everything you need to know.